Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on this channel, welcome, and if it is not your first time, welcome and thank you for watching every single one of my videos. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how I get my hair into a sleek ponytail, a low ponytail. First off, I have to take off my all back. As you can see, it's really rough and dirty. Guys, I've had this hair for over 3 weeks. Guys, I know it's not bougie at all, but I wasn't feeling too well and I've been having headache, hence why the hair is rough. I really wanted to film this video for you guys, so I hope you do enjoy this video, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Okay, so guys, after this I'll go ahead to wash my hair. Always make sure to wash your hair constantly, guys. You don't want to be carrying your hair dirty and smelly everywhere. Make sure you wash your hair.
Say you want me, you better want me. Now you got me all up in my head. You wanna love me, but you should love me now, 'cause I'll be running out of here.
The product I use for my hair is from Elan, as you can see from the video. After washing my hair, I'll go ahead to blow dry my hair. I'll go ahead to apply my hair cream. I don't want my scalp looking all dry and itchy.
Sometimes you don't, and it's so damn enticing. You know that keeps me wanting more, but I'd still rather hide it and keep on denying the truth. What am I supposed to do when the answer says it's you? Got my mind speed racing and I can't really take it. Maybe it's just all in my.
Okay guys, to the business of the day. I'm just showing you what you'll be needing to achieve the sleek ponytail. So first off, I'll be patting my hair into the C cut. I found that making my hair in sections gives it a cleaner look, if that makes sense, and it's way easier for me. So that's what I'm doing right now, basically parting my hair in sections and applying the gel as I go. And also, if you are natural hair, this technique can also work for you. Just be patient and section it properly.
Please don't love me, I
What a goddamn lie. Goodbye. Won't waste no more time. Need to pour up a glass of heartbreak wine.
When applying gel on your hair, apply and brush so the gel can sink into your hair.
When I'm feeling lost and lonely and I need someone to hold me, I could call you. Or drown in a bottle and pray I forget you. Oh, heartbreak wine, heal your soul and clear your mind. One pot bitter, cold and dry, top it off and say goodnight. A tall glass of love and then a little bit of time. Oh, it hurts so good, just like you knew it could when you took the chance and you fell in love. So drink up, drink up, drink up. I thought I could fix us, but love wasn't enough to make it all right. When somebody drives me crazy and I need something to save me, I could call you, but I don't want to. I don't need to. I got heartbreak wine, heal your soul and clear your mind. One pot bitter, cold and dry, top it off and say goodnight. A tall glass of love and then a little bit of time. Oh, it hurts so good, just like you knew it could when you took the chance and you fell in love. So drink up, drink up, drink up. One more to forget you. Wish I never met you. No, it won't always feel like this, but for right now, just one more sip. Oh, it hurts so good, just like you knew it could when you took the chance and you fell in love. So drink up, drink up, drink up. Such a shame you had to meet me on a day like this. I think I've gone insane, crossing names right off my drop dead list. They won't be missed. Am I turning sour? It used to be so sweet. If confidence is power, then it's all in me. I feel it taking over up and under my skin. Usually a baddie, but today I'm just I'm so I'm the one who lit the match and walked away. All your little bridges burning down in flames.
Now I'm just applying gel to the areas of my hair where I did not apply gel earlier.
I'm so bad. You should leave. Don't wanna hear the things I'm about to say. I used to bite my tongue, but I don't think we're better off that way, in shades of gray. I feel it taking over up and under my skin. Usually a baddie, but but today I'm just
edges or baby hairs, I don't know what you call it, but then it gives your hair a whole lot of different look. It just makes the hair look so nice. And I'm not the type that likes all these crazy baby hairs. No, I just like it simple.
Just
So guys, that's the finished look. That's just me feeling myself. And guys, can you see my skin? Just forget about it. So you can rock your hair like that or just install your ponytail. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.